It is Christmas time. We are at Central World and they always have a very big display right outside Central World every year. Big display of Christmas decorations and quite a lot to see and do around here.
Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. Over the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring.
Right now this place is like selfie mecca. So many people are here taking selfies and pictures.
Song tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
And if you're an Apple fan, there's an Apple store right here.
A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lank, misfortune seemed a lot. We got into a drifted bank, and then we got upside. Oh, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
There's a whole market here with so much food. That seafood has to be good.
Christmas is my favorite time of year, and Christmas is my favorite time. Christmas is my favorite time of year.
We have now left Central World and we are now at Siam Paragon, and this is part of Siam Paragon's Christmas display.
And Christmas is my favorite time. Christmas is my favorite time of year, and Christmas is my favorite time. Christmas is my favorite time of
There's a lot of free stuff around here. We're getting free photographs at the photo booth, and we got free energy drinks too.
We will be alright. This holiday will open our minds. I only want to be close to you. No one else here does what you do.
So now we know that 10 o'clock is pretty much shutdown time here at the Christmas display. And these are the Christmas lights at the hotels down the road from Central World, specifically at the Anantara Siam.